What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to buy more retirement with my Roth IRA. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to go into a lot of depth. Quick rules though. You can only contribute $6,000 a year. Special account after tax money. So you can only put in $6,000 a year. And you can only make $136,000 a year if you're single, or if you're married, up to $202,000. You can withdraw from it at 59 and a half. There's no age to start one. Those are just the basic rules. So I opened this account last year, 2019. I got $6,000 in there for the year 2019. This is the year 2020. I have $690 in there so far for this year. Today is payday, so I'm going to deposit another $230 because with only $6,000 a year, I get paid every 2 weeks, 26 paychecks a year. So $230 per paycheck gets me at $6,000 a year. Easy math. And all I do is we'll look at the portfolio. Just big fancy pie, all the different things I hold. We're just going to look at them real quick, not a long video. If you have questions, please leave the questions in the comment section below. Thank you for hitting the like button. Alright, so we're going to go with losers first. I like to keep the losers up top. So Pfizer, -$2, gain, -$2, Apple. It's a hospitality group, not Apple, the iPhone. -$1.80. Overall portfolio though, $7,000. I only put in $6,690 so far. I'm up $328, 9.1%. And the reason I have all these companies that we're not going to go through today is because they all pay me a dividend. So I have 20 or so. The bigger chunks are, it's a Vanguard retirement fund. It's more realistic. It's not a personal pick. It's just what you really pick for retirement. Then the other big piece in there is SPHD. It pays a monthly dividend, and anybody should be familiar with the S&P 500. It's just an ETF that pays a monthly dividend. And that's why I built it. So we'll go to activity. And it shows I get payments every couple of days. Apple, 17 cents. AGNC, 58 cents. General Mills, 59 cents. AT&T, 84 cents. There was the deposit from last paycheck. And then for January, it's January 30th. Bunch of payments. I'm just going to so all the payments. Just added them up real quick. Power of editing. The total dividends I received in January was $16.29 for doing nothing. I make a deposit every 2 weeks when I get paid, and the first month was $16. This is after tax money, and it can never be taxed again. So that's $16 tax free. Of course, I'm not going to use any of this money until I'm 59, so then it won't be $16 tax free. Be something like $500, $600, $700, $800 every month, tax free. Don't have to claim it on my taxes. Can't take the money from the taxes, plus the giant principal amount. Damn it! I set down my phone. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.